Kaymade-tech here again. I will be showing a video today with regards to Windows to Linux FTP connection. All right. So the last video I had, I did show Linux to Linux. Today I'll be going with Windows to Linux FTP connection. That's downloading files and uploading files. So we will start with we're going to be using two computers here, two virtual machines. We're going to use our Kali Linux and Windows 7 machine. So I'm going to start with getting the IP address for the boot. So I'll just type ifconfig here. So the IP address here is 192.168.56.153. Okay, so let me get my Windows machine, and so for Windows it's ipconfig. So it's 192.168.56.142. So let's clear this. All right, so what do we need to do here? So the first thing is, let's assume, let me get a file. Let me create a file for my desktop. Let's start with that. I'll go to text. All right. Uh, All right. And I'm going to give it a name. Okay. So we have it there, transfer. So it's on my desktop. So I'm going to change directory to my desktop. Awesome. So that has changed. Let me verify what's on my desktop. So I'll just type dir. So you can see the transfer.txt. It's on my desktop. So now what do we do? Um, I'm going to do an FTP connection. Let's clear this. So we'll do FTP. I put in the IP address of my Kali Linux 192.168.153. All right, so it's asking me for my username. So I'll put that also in check. And the password. Awesome. So I'm now in this computer. But by the way, let me go to my Kali Linux. Let me just be sure I have nothing in that place. Let's go to CD document. I'm going to move this file to my document. Yeah. So I just have empire underscore that texas.txt. Okay, that works. That's all we have. So that there. You. So let me go back to Windows 7 machine. All right, now that I have that, so this is the file I want to transfer. So that's going to be transfer.txt, and okay, no, most likely it's going to drop. Yeah, let me just leave it to drop on my LS. Okay, so it's going to drop here. back to my Windows command of directory file type transfer.x. That's what it's there. FT 153 tech file from transfer. All right. As you can see, it says transfer complete. So we'll go back to Kali Linux to take a look at that. So if you see all that I have here, you don't see any transfers here, transfer.txt. So I'm going to do ls now, and you see it here, transfer.txt. Okay, so now I want to move a file from here to my Windows. So let me move voice.txt. All right, so how do we do that? So we're going to use a different command now, and I'm going to put it on my desktop because I'm already in my change directory. I'm on my desktop. So how do we do this? We're going to type in get, then we'll go to the location where the file is on our Kali Linux machine, home, tech, and what file do we want to? So let me show you how we know where we are here. So if you want to know where you are, just type in pwd, tells us home kaymade-tech. So everything here is under home kaymade-tech. If I want to move something from another file, like my documents, I'll just change the directory to documents, then to now be home kaymade-tech documents. So based on this, what file can we move to the desktop? Let me move this file. All right. So back to our Kali. I said ntlm.txt. That's the file. Just verify again. ntlm.txt. And once I click enter, we should see the file on our deck transfer. All right. As you can see, the file just came in. So this is how we do transfers with, or rather, uploads and downloads with our FTP. Remember, for FTP to work, it has to be configured on, and it has to be running on your Kali Linux machine. Again, thank you so much for watching the video. If you please like it, share, and subscribe, and look out for our next video.